Hello and welcome back to Python 2020. In this video, we will see how to extract the data from SQL Server table to CSV file and Excel file, and we will also see that how to get the data into Pandas data frame from a SQL table. I have already covered the data upload, bulk data upload into previous video. So if you have not watched my previous video, please go ahead and watch that. To perform these actions, we will require all of these libraries. So in my previous video, I have explained how to install these libraries. So it will be useful for this video as well if you watch my previous video. Link is available in the description of this video also. And you can see the link on top. And to have a look on my videos, you can browse my channel here. So here is the link in front of you and you can see all the videos here. All right. Now let's move to today's agenda. So first of all, I would like to show you that this is the data which we are going to download. This is my table name, flight data, and this is my database, DB Pandas, right? And this is my query. Now let's go back to the code editor and add a new file for this purpose. So this is the code for bulk data upload. If you want, you can pause the video and you can have a look on this code as well. All right, now let's add new file into this. So project, I will go to the project folder, right click, new Python file. This project I am doing into a virtual environment which is created in PyCharm. So if you are not aware how to create virtual environment and what is the meaning of virtual environment, you can go ahead and watch the video number 95 on my YouTube channel. So the file name which we will keep is bulk download from SQL table. Alright. So the first and foremost thing is that we have to create the SQL Alchemy engine because I am using SQL Alchemy here. So here is the code to create SQL Alchemy engine. Okay, you can see, so this is my server name and this is the database. This is the username and password for the database. Okay, and here we have created the engine variable and you can see the complete string. And before I go ahead, I would like to request you to like my video, subscribe to my channel for more videos and it will definitely help me also. And share my video to your friends and in your social media channels. So after creating the engine in SQL Alchemy, now we have to extract the data using a SQL query. Okay, but before that, what I have to do, I am using Pandas to write the Excel files, so I have to import Pandas. All right, and then here is the query in front of you. We have selected all the data, and then we are assigning that to a query variable, and then we are executing the query using engine pd.readsql. So pd.readsql will fetch the data as per the query and it will convert that into the data frame. And once we have the data frame, then we are writing Excel file here. In the next line, I am using same data frame to write CSV also. So let's run this code and see the result. Code executed successfully. Let's go to the folder. So you have this data Excel here. So there here are 191 records and let me show you the data in SQL table also. So you can see the sequence from here. You can notice the sequence from here and let's see the sequence in Excel file from top. Okay, so these are the flights and the same data is here in the data table also. Now, next is that I want to extract the data where city name is Dubai. All right. So we have to use the same query method. Like when we have this, if I will run this query from here till here and go run execute. So you will see destination Dubai. Same query I am using here, and then now I will run this code once again. Before that, I have to close this file. Okay. So the file name should be filtered CSV and filtered Excel. Okay. Now let's go and check filter CSV. First of all, we will open this. So you can see only destination is Dubai. Let's check the Excel now. Filtered Excel. So you can see here the destination is Dubai. All right. I just want to mention here that there is one more way to do same thing, which is fetch all using SQL Academy. So I will be explaining fetch all in my next video. And you can see the code once again from here. So this is to create the engine till line number 11th. And after line number 11, we are executing the query using the engine. All right. Hope this video was useful for you. Please share my videos to your friends and in your social media groups. Like my video and share the feedback in the comment. Thank you very much for your time. Be healthy, be safe. Happy learnings.